Hello, today I'd like to show you how to stencil a damask design onto sugar paste. You will need a large rose stencil, and I have a cake here that I've marzipanned ready, and you'll need a non-stick rolling pin and a little shortening, some cool boiled water and a tape measure, some sprays, luster spray, and I'm using the PME, and I do like to have 2 cans in case one runs out halfway through, a cake smoother and some sugar paste. The first thing you need to do is cut round your stencil and leave a 1 centimetre border. And when you've done that, put it to one side and then measure your cake. So from the board across the top and down. So I know that when I roll my sugar paste out, it needs to be approximately 15 inches in diameter. And I'm going to rub a little vegetable shortening onto the board. Let's work that in. And take the sugar paste. Now I have already worked this so that it's nice and pliable. And begin to roll. So I'm just going to check the sugar paste for size. That's 15. And then I need to just go over with a smoother to make sure it's perfectly flat, ready to take the stencil. And then place the stencil onto the paste. Now, if you're going to do a tiered cake, then the main rose you can place off centre so that you will see it. There's no good putting another cake on top and hiding it. So just go over with your smoother to make a good contact and place the leaves close. And then I'm going to spray using the can. So give it a good shake. Just get ready to, that's it. So spray over the stencil and the leaves, and then lift the stencil from the paste and replace it close by. And the same with the rose, so lift and place it nearby. So get as close to the previous one as possible. Just move those leaves in a little, and again just press over. It's important to have a good contact so the colour can't bleed underneath. So again over and over the leaves, and continue over the paste until it's completely covered. So I've taken the design right up to and in places over the edge of the sugar paste, and now I'm going to leave that for approximately 5 minutes until it's dry, so you just touch dry. So leave it, it depends on the warmth of the room how long it will take, but it's usually about 5 minutes. So I've dampened the marzipan with cool boiled water, and then you lift the sugar paste over the cake and just press firstly across the top and then spread it out and fit it onto the sides. make sure you have a good contact around the base of the cake. You have no holes. And then with a palette knife, trim around the base. Now the spare paste, that can just be kneaded back together again. The fact it's got some spray on won't make any difference at all. And you can then use your smoother just to go over the cake, around the sides. And then that's ready to go onto your prepared board. Just tidy that base up a little bit more, make a better shape. There we are. I'll place that onto the board. And that just needs some ribbon around the base.